My name's Bella and I'm an apprentice at ITV Cymru News and Current Affairs.
My name is Dylan Larn and I've been working in Golyslater.
I'm Louis. I've been working at BBC Rothlock on Casualty in post-production.
My name is Ellie Williams and I've been working at Golyslater.
My name is Badejoko and I've been working at ITV Wales.
So my name's Oliver Shaw and I've been working on the BBC productions, and I've been working on Casualty as a sound assistant.
My favourite part of the apprenticeship has been learning new skills in sound with the production specialist team.
My highlight is working on the Pride Cymru, which was based in Cardiff and which I did some advertisement for.
My highlight of the apprenticeship has probably been having a chance to work on edits for social media. I found it really rewarding to be able to sort of see something I've created and worked on actually go out.
My highlight so far, I would say, is being able to organise a photo shoot by myself and lead a client call. That was pretty exciting.
Well, my highlight so far has been working on the art series called Backstage, and more recently a network program as well.
My highlight probably had to be just the times when I've been able to work as a co-op right now. On top of that as well, when I managed to get into the dubbing studio and managed to watch an edit for one of the episodes get made.
I hope to dabble in some freelance work for next year, and then in the summertime I'm going to Camp America to do some videography and photography for Camp Blue Ridge.
I'll be hoping to carry on with my current role within Golyslater within the recruitment and notice department.
I'd really love to, in the future, continue my career, possibly as an edit assistant and maybe in the future as an editor.
I hope to continue working in production, hopefully still at Golyslater after the apprenticeship.
Well, I hope to continue as a researcher because that's what I've been doing basically over the last 7 months. So I hope to continue as a researcher or a camera operator.
One of my main aspirations, I guess, is just to excel in the career that I'm in right now, as well as maybe dabbling my foot into the post-production side of the industry.